Here we are at the cattle sale again. I come, not that I want to, but anyway, they got so many cows. Not that we're buying any. Unfortunately, we brought some of our goats up here. Wow. I really don't want to bring our goats up here either, but, you know, we got way too many. So this is what we're dealing with. And I'm going to tell you what, I cry every time I come up here and see these goats like this. I really do. And especially when we have to bring our babies. It just breaks my heart. There ain't no sense in that. Yep.